Happy Friday to everyone. Welcome to another edition of Sports Corner PH Interviews. My name is Gab Pereras. And this afternoon, makakasama po natin ang founder nitong Dayo app. Bago yung dumako sa ating programa, please like, share, and subscribe sa lahat ng mga social media platforms. And follow us para maging updated niya sa mga pinakabagong mga coverages and updates niya when it comes to Philippine sports. So I'm talking about itong Dayo app na isang app na pwedeng makapagrenta ng mga basketball courts para magamit sa mga iba't ibang mga basketball games or other activities as well, kahit practices man lang. And I'm talking about this app para at least yung ating mga basketball players na rin ay their eyes and opportunities to get their wanted courts na magagamit nila dito sa iba't ibang venues. And I'm speaking with the founder nga ng Dayo app, walang iba kundi si Sir Chucky Isya De Leon. And by the way, thank you Martin Puyos for accommodating him sa ating program. So, Sir Isaac, welcome to Sports Corner PH and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Gab. Thank you. I'm glad to be here. Gab, just to clarify also, initially, that app initially started as a basketball court booking platform and league management tool. Pero upon early discussions with our initial court engagements, basketball court owners, league organizers, and whatnot, we noticed nga pala, Gab, na the court booking was never the problem. Kasi ang mga court owners at saka operators right now is actually okay naman sila sa kanilang operations eh. Okay naman sila sa kanilang marketing, okay naman sila sa paghanap ng customers. Ang napansin namin, Gab, is mas malaki yung problema. Mas malaki, kailangan na tayo mag-transform into something more ambitious and more visionary. So what we've decided to build na lang, Gab, is we decided to become the operating system for grassroots sports development in the country. So we're probably the first and probably the most comprehensive platform in the Philippines right now, specifically for grassroots sports development. And as a platform, we're trying to build certain features and solutions specifically for that objective. Gab. So right now, we are still pre-revenue just to be completely transparent. Pero we're playing the long game kasi here, Gab. We're trying to build something more ambitious and visionary, like I mentioned earlier, uh, by building certain solutions and features that caters to grassroots sports development. Uh, so ang approach namin, Gab, right now is not really commercial courts. We plan to digitize the largest and most fragmented uh, group of courts in the Philippines, which is barangay courts. And from there, pwede namin bigyan ng libreng league management tools para mas madali magpaliga at tumal SK organizers, barangay captains, and so on and so forth. So ganun na ang naging model at saka vision ni Dayo right now, Gab, just to clarify.
Thank you so much for your explanation on why Dayo is the best thing happen pagdating sa Philippine basketball. And this will be a great platform na rin para makapag-engganyo yung mga barangays to have some different solutions when it comes sa pagrerenta ng court, sa pagsasagawa ng mga liga, or kahit mga scorecards. Kasi dati,
Yes.
mano-mano pa lang, sinusulat pa lang yung mga resibo natin o di kaya score sheet, pati yung mga stats ng mga players, kailangan mo magpa lagay doon sa chalkboard and billboard. But now with this app, hindi na kailangan bumalik tayo sa mga mano-mano or analog write down things. It's all digital mode nito. So could you explain why it is significant para dito sa ating grassroots basketball itong Dayo app na papakilala natin?
So tama yun, Gab. Currently, desute papel, desulat ang mga administer ng live statistics at game statistics also. Ang napansin namin kasi, pagkatapos masulat yon, saan na napupunta yon? Wala na napupuntahan eh. Kumbaga, hindi na na-track yung performance ng isang player year over year.
O di
So with
kaya
our solution,
o di kaya
yes,
tinatapon na lang sa
that is correct.
basurahan.
Posible nga po yun. So ngayon, with our platform, pwede na matrack year on year, game by game, yung performance ng isang player. So ngayon, sports organizations, federations, college teams, professional teams can also access our platform para makita niya yung progress ng isang player sa barangay level. Kasi karamihan naman ng magagaling na player galing sa barangay level naman, tama, di ba?
At nakita naman natin na ang mga sikat na basketball players natin na napapanood natin sa TV, nakikilala naman natin, ay nag-umpisa sa mga ligang barangay or sabihin natin in terms, ligang labas. Pero
Tama, correct.
with this app na rin, pwede nating i-measure or i-highlight yung mga progress, yung mga stats, yung mga points, rebounds, assists na itatala natin, field goals, three-point throws at iba pa para the public can access yung mga different stats ng mga players na rin, especially when the time na magkakaroon tayo ng mga summer liga. Kasi naranasan ko rin yan because I am the son of a taga-barangay sports organizer. Nagpapaligan ito before bago kami nagpa-rehabilitate itong court namin. Dati, puro mano-mano pa lang yung mga stats.
Mhm.
But with this one app, pwede mo naman i-access yung mga different stats na rin ng mga players at the same time para i-assess kung ano improvements na kailangan gawin ng mga players, especially right now, marami mga liga na nagsusulputan this summer.
Yes, that is correct. So, ang objective right now namin at saka ang strategic direction ngayon ni tayo is to partner with the federation and organization level, specifically for sports development. And likewise, kung bibigyan kami ng pagkakataon to partner with these people, with these ecosystem players, penetrate namin yung barangay court in the LGU level, in which bibigay po namin yung league management tools namin end-to-end. Libre po for the barangay and for the player.
Okay, so meron kayong binibuild na 5 aspects when it comes doon sa Dayo. Una, yung court operating system kung saan pwede mo magamit, magparenta, magpa-schedule ng mga iba't ibang mga courts, whether barangay, hardwood, o di kaya yung the aircon. Na
Tama,
mga,
that is correct.
the aircon ng mga courts, kahit sa mga private subdivisions man lang. Pangalawa, yung league operating system. Iyan yung nabanggit natin kanila.
Mm.
Pwede kang gumamit ng mga timer, yung mga score sheets na digitalized. And then, meron pang the National Player Marketplace na kung saan pwede mong tignan kung at i-assess yung performances gaya na nabanggit ko kanina, yung mga players natin from different leagues, ano ang what's in and what's out when it comes na sa sports. And then meron pang the basketball data and transaction layer. Kailangan kasi alam natin na uso ngayon yung mga iba't iba mga data na itatrack natin when it comes na doon sa basketball. And lastly, ito yung sports fintech layer kung saan ang alam ko yung sinasama yata yung mga e-payment, e-wallet, options,
Tama
or
yun, God, tama.
financial aspects na rin. So, pagkapalawalag isa-isa yung binibuild ninyo mga 5 goals para dito sa Dayo.
So initially, like I mentioned, meron kaming court booking engine and platform wherein a player can easily book a court with a few clicks lang. Secondly, we have the league organizer engine wherein league organizers can create leagues automatically in a matter of minutes. The game and discovery marketplace is basically kung saan pwede ma-search po yung games, courts, and leagues in a few taps. An intelligence dashboard is the fourth one, which we are currently building right now. The objective here is to attract sponsors, attract organizations and federations to identify key talents in the ecosystem. Also, this also provides them with another layer of resource allocation and management. O tama bang mag-marketing tayo in this particular city kasi maraming tao, o bawasan natin yung pondo natin sa this city kasi konti lang naman. Parang mga ganun rason. And lastly, the fifth one is the fintech layer. We've partnered with one of the largest payment gateways in the Southeast Asia that allows us to offer multiple payment channels and methods, GCash, PayMaya, and so on and so forth. We also partnered with them to offer probably the first in the country, Play Now, Pay Later program. Similar to Buy Now, Pay Later, sir.
So, pay now, play later, no?
Play Now, Pay Later, sir.
Wow! So, kakaiba talagang, platform para magbayad ka muna ng, some amount para lang makapagrenta ng court o di kaya kung gamitin yung mga iba't ibang mga layers ng, dayo and then puwede mo laruin kahit Mayo, kahit next week, kahit,
Tama po, tama po.
magpa-schedule, ka dun sa mga iba't ibang, activities. So, kailan ito na-launch?
Na-launch lang kami this year of January 20. Majority of the 2025 was focused talaga on product and platform development. Kasi ika nga ng sinabi ko po, nag-focus po talaga kami na identifying solutions that make sense for the entire ecosystem of basketball in the Philippines.
By the way, bago tayo dumako sa iba pang mga tanong, um, ano yung background ninyo sa basketball? Dati ka bang pro basketball player o di kaya may-ari ka ba ng isang basketball court? And bakit mo naisipan na buuin along with your partners ninyo itong dayo na makakatulong niya upang digitalize anything about Philippine basketball?
So, hindi naman po ako professional basketball player of any kind. I wouldn't say na magaling naman akong player. I wouldn't say even na, ano lang, passionate lang ako sa game na to. It just so happened also na may technical background din po kasi ako in developing platforms. Nasa business development and partnerships ako across different tech platforms in my entire career. And natututunan ko na how to build these platforms from the ground up with limited resources and also financial capability. Napansin ko kasi there was a huge gap in the market, specifically where what DAI is trying to address. And that's why I think, in my perspective, I'm one of the best guys to build this platform moving forward.
Na looking, at this app, kumpara na dun sa mga iba nating mga apps na nagsusulputan na rin, parang 5-in-1 into one unified system, itong platform na ito. So, parang ito yung big difference na rin compare na rin dun sa mga, booking apps na lalabasan ngayon sa market. And
Yes.
at the same time, this is A plus na rin for those who are into basketball and in the grassroots level. Kasi marami tayo mga iba't ibang mga summer leagues na nangyayari na yon. At the same time, even in the provinces, they may subukan yung Dayo app na maaaring gamitin itong sport na ito para mas lalo maging accessible niya yung mga pag-hanap ng court, pag-join ng mga iba't ibang mga laro at pag-track kung ano ang naging performance at mga stats nito.
Tama po.
So, ano yung reception ng mga basketball community dito sa inyong app na sinimulan niyo po?
To be honest, sir, medyo mabagal pa po ang reception. Pero kasi ang approach kasi namin, Sir Gab, is more on organizational partnerships eh. Hindi po kami ganun ka-aggressive sa marketing ng app po namin kasi gusto po namin ma-secure muna po ang mga organizational at saka federational at saka institutional partnerships na correlating naman po sa grassroots sports development. Kasi napansin ko kasi namin, hindi siya kaya ng isang platform lang to digitize and automate and also empower the entire grassroots sports infrastructure in the country. Kailangan talaga multi partnership agreement to moving forward.
So right now, may mga nakausap ba kayong mga partners para at least makapagkaroon ng agreement to use their Dayo app para sa kanilang mga platforms? Or may plano ba kayong makapag-tie up na rin sa mga iba't ibang mga basketball leagues tulad ng PBA and even yung ating NSA, yung Samaang Basketball ng Pilipinas?
Yes po, we are actually in talks with some. Unfortunately, hindi ko kayang i-disclose at this point. Pero we're still in some discussions with them already. Pero rest assured, good big things are coming ahead for Dayo.
Okay, so sa mga bago pa lamang na gustong ma-offer yung app, so simply you may register na lang sa website and then pwede din gumamit ng app na available sa App Store or Google Play and may mga features yata na maaaring gamitin when it comes na doon sa basketball renting and of course others as well. So walk us through kung paano ba makaka-register ang mga basketball players dito sa Dayo app.
So simple lang naman po, currently wala pa po kaming mobile app kasi napansin po namin hindi kailangan ng player ng isa pang app eh. Kasi it's another layer of friction for these players na to use Dayu. So what you do is basically go to dayu.app to basically log in via the link and register. So currently po, Sir Gab, it's a progressive web app eh. Kumbaga in technical terms, it looks like an app, it feels like an app, but it's not an app. It's basically a link to your browser. And it can be accessed via mobile or web or any kind of platform moving forward.
Okay, so Dayu, DAYOU.app. At
That
pwede
app,
rin
that is
tignan na rin yung FAQ na maaaring gamitin na rin kung ano yung mga frequently asked questions when it comes na dito sa
opo, sir. Opo, sir.
ito. So right now, ang focus ninyo is basketball. Pero
Yes.
when the time comes, pwede din ito gamitin na rin sa ibang sports, whether volleyball, or di kaya yung nauso natin na yun, yung pickleball na isang
Tama po yun,
racket
sir.
courts. Kasi ang dami mga pickleball courts na building up, shooting
Nagsusulputan.
up
Tama po.
sa buong Metro Manila and the rest of the country. So, pero bago muna tayo magpalakasin tayo sa basketball, there may be plans nga pala to expand into other sports?
Meron po, actually, currently, si Dayo naman supports multi-sports. Ang naisip lang po kasi namin since basketball is perhaps the number one sport in the country, it's a good entry point na basketball muna kami mag-focus. Although right now, we are in talks with some organizations specifically for volleyball. So since volleyball and basketball shares the same infrastructure, magandang isabay na rin namin moving forward also.
Okay. So, ano paglilinaw na rin? Kasi, ah, may mga courts na rin na specific types na rin. Either barangay, yung mga subdivision, o di kaya mga commercial courts, yung mga nakikita natin sa mga lugar. So, dito sa Dayo app, pwede mo rin gamitin yan in any courts as you may be. At kung pwede rin, yung mga liga na rin na mula round robin, hanggang finals na maaaring or mga bracketing na rin, diyan din makukuha nga dito sa Dayo
Opo,
app
sir.
pwedeng isulat o itala kung ano ang progress ng mga teams na rin going forward and itatrack na rin yung mga iba't ibang mga stats na rin. So, what will be offering dito?
Ano po yun, sir? Pakiulit.
Yung sa yung sa courts at sa liga na diniscuss natin kanina.
So currently, ang pinaka-business model kasi ni Dayo right now, hindi po kami nag-charge ng any subscription from the court or the league organizer. Meron lang po kaming 10% platform fee on top of the transaction. So for example, ang court fee is 1,000 per hour, 1,100 pesos po ang total na babayaran ni player sa pagrenta po ng court. So ang objective po kasi namin doon is para magbigay 100% of the revenue dun sa court owner at league organizer.
So parang equal opportunity na rin for both the app, the players, and the mga leagues na
Organizer
rin
po.
when it comes na sa mga funding galing sa Dayo
Opo.
app. At this is a win-win para sa lahat itong Dayo app. So, by the way, this is actually available pa lang sa website at wala pang mobile app sa ngayon. Pero ano ba ang mga tina-target ninyo na mga susunod na plano pa? Yung pag-expand pa lalo ng Dayo app or di kaya are there any other plans coming up para dito sa grupo ninyo?
Currently, we are still in talks with a few organizations and federations and institutions specifically for sports development. But we are open to explore any others moving also. Right now, we're also building the mobile app for both Android and iOS. We're also building additional core solutions such as omni-channel capability wherein pwede ka na mag-message sa Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram, or Viber and WhatsApp. And ang sumasagot na po si Dayu para hindi na mahirapan si court owner, league organizer mag-manage ng kung saan nanggagaling yung inquiries. Meron rin po kaming ginagawang Google Calendar integration para hindi na kailangan mag-login ni court owner at league organizer sa DAYU. And lastly, meron na pong built-in website maker within the platform para may sarili pong branding at website na rin po si court owner at league organizer.
So definitely exciting times ahead for Dayu and we'll definitely support that and promote it dito sa Sports Corner
Thank you.
PH. At it's still to have you right now dito sa ating program at natutuwa naman kami dahil ito nga, meron na tayong bagong app na all-in-one, 5 different aspects when it comes sa basketball na maaaring gamitin nga para dito sa mga basketballeros natin sa iba't ibang sulok ng bansa, even yung mga nagpapatakbo ng court at nagpapatakbo ng mga liga. So, imbitahan nyo po sila sa ating app na rin and of course the website. Your final message na rin sa ating mga viewers ng Sports Corner.
Maraming salamat sa pag-invite sa akin dito, Sir Gab, and also kay Sir Martin. I hope everyone gets to try Dayu.app. We're building a lot of things in the future also, and hopefully makatulong kami ng marami, especially for the young athletes of the Philippines.
Yan. And also, it is a great help na rin sa Philippine sports development in general na rin. Dahil pwede na
Tama po,
tayong makatingin ng mga stats and performances and profiles ng ating mga athletes at the same time yung mga liga na rin. Parang yung nilaunch yata ng PSC before, yung Elite League, kung saan pwede silang,
Opo.
yung mga athletes, national athletes, pwede sila mag-submit ng mga info dun sa Elite League para mabasa at makita ng mga scouts na rin. So parang the same realization and same vision na rin kayo ng PSC Elite League when it comes na dito sa mga mga pakulo na ginagawa natin online.
Tama po. That is correct po, Sir Gab.
Alright.
Yun po ang main objective naman din po namin.
So thank you so much, Isaac, and we'll be inviting you once again sa mga ibang programs, especially sa DWIC, and good luck and congratulations towards a better future for Philippine basketball and Philippine sports in general. You may visit dayu.app, dayu.app para mag-register at at the same time makapag-renta ng court, makapag-organize ng liga at makapag-assess yung mga players na rin yung performances. So, dayu.app, i-search ninyo sa inyong mga browsers. So, thank you so much, Isaac. More power sa Dayu app. God bless and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you po.
Thank you.